Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with administrator access because altering services needs elevated rights. Open services from start and make sure you have a recent restore point or backup. This prevents unwanted consequences. Once done, find the Windows Update service in the list and double-click it to open properties. You're starting the action now. Do not close services. Make note of the current startup type and service status so you can revert if needed. Now change the startup type to disabled and click Stop to halt the service immediately. This prevents automatic checks and installs. You should see the status change to Stopped. If not, repeat the Stop command or run services as admin. Next, if Windows re-enables updates later, adjust Group Policy, gpedit. MSC, under Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates Windows Components Windows Update, or apply a registry lock to enforce the setting. Finish by restarting the PC and verifying the Windows Update service stays stopped. This confirms changes applied correctly. Make sure to re-enable the service when you want updates. Set startup type back to manual or automatic and start the service. If the service returns to enabled unexpectedly, check scheduled tasks, Windows Update Medic service, or domains/group policies that might override local settings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.